Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to watch music videos on Apple Music on iPhone or iPad. First, open Apple Music. Next, you are going to tap on search in the bottom right hand corner. After doing that, you are going to tap on the search bar. Then you can type in whichever artist's name you would like to watch the music video for. So let's say for example Drake. After selecting Drake, all I'll have to do is simply scroll down and you're going to see top songs, and you're going to continue scrolling down until you see music videos. You will simply tap on music videos. Then you are going to see a list of all of the music videos that artist has on Apple Music. And you will simply tap on the music video that you would like to watch. And that's it, as you can see right here. And you will simply tap on play. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.